3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Now?
Video gaming is a huge industry, and already 2.5 billion people play games. And of those, 51% are girls and women. You just don't hear their stories and their voices and credible characters from female creators. So we're here to really support that industry so that we can hear from girls and create a more equitable gaming world.
The Goethe-Institut is working since many years with game projects, and then we realized that almost no women were applying for this project. We decided to do projects exclusively for female developers. And we invited 13 female game developers to São Paulo in order to work together and to empower them and help them and support them to establish their own network.
I just thought it's very interesting and exciting to share the experience with other girls and help to raise awareness about that we need more women in the gaming industry and that it's a very nice job to do.
Well, coming from an engineering career, you don't see a lot of girls. Actually, I was one of the few ones. So working with a lot of girls is really fun. It's a totally different experience for me.
We're working on a game for the PSP building. It's called Shooting Stars. It's about shooting for the stars, both literally and metaphorically. You should always have faith that you can do whatever you want, and it may seem that our dreams, for example, working in the video game industry, may be far away, but you gotta try, you gotta shoot for the stars.
We connected with ourselves in a very special way. We actually learn a lot from one another. I believe that games have the power to change people's lives, and I do want to become a game developer.